Hello, I'm Jennifer. This video is part 2 of our spring store tour, so stay tuned. I'm going to take you on a tour and show you some of the new things that have come in the store. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can throw a super easy floral together, so be sure you hang around for that. This is a new light fixture that we've just hung. I absolutely adore it. Very different, very unique. I like lighting to be its own artwork, and this long chandelier that it's elongated would look beautiful above a dining room table. Now, another favorite of mine is these huge candlesticks. They're cement, very heavy, very substantial, but very cool. They look good on a big table, like so, flanked on each side of a floral arrangement, or maybe even a big sofa table. So here is a custom floral arrangement that I've done. The vase is very unique and very different and very narrow. That allows the floral to sit up against the wall, perhaps if it's on a table like this or a sofa table. Another one of my favorites in the store is this lamp. I love the base of it. I love mercury glass if you're going to put it on a table where it can really contrast. Something that's a little different this year, I'm finding lamps are coming out with a little bit of color in the shade. This one's a little bit of a blue-gray, would pair very well with several different themes. One of the staples in my design is mirrors, and these three are probably my top favorite for several reasons. One, the mirror itself is aged and antiqued. The design and arch of each mirror, the slim size, and of course I like the metal patina on the outside. What I love to do is when I hang them together and I have the room, I'm going to take that middle mirror, I'm going to hang it a little bit higher, and it's going to mimic the arches of the little mirrors and create one big arch on top. This makes any room look absolutely stunning. I absolutely love art, and these two pieces just came in. All of the girls are drooling over them. They're absolutely beautiful, from the watercolor look of the flowers to the big wide frame in a silver patina. I find that there's a lot of areas in the home that we really need a big piece of art, for example, above a couch. But large art that's good art and pretty affordable is really hard to find, and these absolutely fit the bill. Looking for a very easy way to decorate on the wall? One of my favorite ways is with wall pockets, especially if you want to add a little bit of greenery. It makes it super easy. You just drop it in and just look how lovely that looks. And then during the holidays, you can put some seasonal greenery in there and you've got a whole nother look. Got to show you another favorite lamp of mine, a wired mesh shade. Antique Edison bulbs, and just a beautiful wired design and a very light green patina. This lamp looks good in absolutely any room. So here's another small floral that I've made and set on a tray. If you're local, come by, I'll make a special floral for you. So gold is really coming back in style. Here's an example. This is a beautiful gold table with a mirrored top. This is just the right size to set next to a chair. You can put accessories on top of it, or a lamp and just a few little accessories. Here's a table, again, one of my favorites. It's got a glass top with the black iron around it. If you've got a smaller room and you're wanting to make it look visually larger, a glass table is the way to go. Now we're going to make a super easy floral like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and we're going to use flower bundles, and we're not going to take them apart. I'm going to start with this pink tulip. I've got some beautiful dusty miller and then some really pretty white flowers. Now they're a little bit taller than the others, so I'm going to bend them down at the bottom just a little bit. Okay, and spread them out. And then I'm going to come in with my pink tulips, the perfect spring flower. And we're going to pull them around the white flower and see how we've kind of trying to just encircle around the little flowers. And then we're going to come in with the dusty miller and again pull it around, tuck it in a little bit so we don't have one big clump. And then we're going to set it right in the vase, like so. And I've got a floral arrangement. Well, that is the end of the spring tour. A couple of the things I mentioned I'll have in the description below. Be sure to watch for more videos coming out because we're trying to hit them every single week. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hello, I'm Jennifer. This video is part 2. I'll go again. Hello, I'm Jennifer, and this... Oh, I'm sorry.